connais wap crier, baby, mais fort. Haïti moins poilé, Miami wap crité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment, l'amour ça poil dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer, écrit chaque fois.
We are in a 2019 BMW X6. What are we listening to, Matthew?
K-Love!
Yeah. What do you think of the interior?
This looks good.
It's cool, right?
Brandon, he see me through it. Positive, encouraging of K-Love.
There
And it was
we
encouraging
go.
about these songs is that they point us to Jesus. All of God's promises are true. Everything that he has promised to you will happen. There's Maverick City music
fast.
promises.
Exactly,
Ride
as
a
we
bike.
should.
Yeah. If you buy your first car, do you guys know which one, the regular Atlas? And then just fold down the back seats. And then have a really good amount of trunk space. You know? Going fast. Whee!
That was faster. Should have done
I
it on
didn't scare you,
Utica.
did I? Oh, somebody just parked in here. So you can't get in just yet. Go back. Let's see. This is my first time driving an X6, by the way. Where's the park on?
Nice.
A button
Yes.
right here?
You can't park
Uh-oh.
it?
Is it in park now?
No. That shift now. Make sure if it's
No,
not.
the shifter knob doesn't go to park. See, I think it's on, right?
Oh, no. You're still moving. So
Yeah, where's the park button?
No,
There's
this
a
is
parking brake.
This is parking assist.
Yeah, where's
Yeah.
the park?
Okay, parking brake. Let's activate it on if you can't find the park. Okay, for my audience.
That's what he did before. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, for my audience, can you just locate where the parking is? Because we've never been in this car before.
I don't see a parking on the shifter, so we have the parking brake right here.
Yeah.
I have to ask Steven. Maybe it's just the parking brake. Isn't that weird?
Auto H, I'm not sure what that is. You see? Because that's why I'm not that much of a BMW fan.
Yeah, so I put the sunroof down.
Okay.
You see? Now what
See,
we
it
got.
says transmission is in neutral. That's fine.
Yeah.
You see where it's at now?
It's on P. Oh, okay, got it. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so that's it.
Yeah, so now we learn, okay, to put it in park, you're supposed to put in neutral and then parking brake.
and
then
brake, and
once,
you turn off the car, and instead of transmission and neutral, now it's park.
now, yes.
Beautiful. We learn something new every day, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
I told you it's my second time driving one.
What do you think about this 2019 BMW X6 here?
It looks awesome.
Looks awesome. The color.
Looks nice. The AC feels good.
Mm-hmm. And what about the engine powertrain?
The engine powertrain is good.
Oh, okay.
10 out of 10.
Glossy black wheels and all of the above. So we'll just keep it basic. All right, I'm happy you enjoyed it. Happy birthday.
Ah oui, les long, long, baby, li long. T'es du long distance, long, pas cap, ma chère. Ah oui, les long, long, baby, li long. Koto tande l'amour, j'aime de l'eau, baby, pas noyer. T'es du long distance, long, pas cap, ma chère. Ah oui, les long, long, baby, li